welcome to Makagigi Kitchen.
That's our new name, Makagigi Kitchen. So look for that now.
We're excited. It's a little shorter, a little easier. You live and you learn. But we're excited to be here with you today, aren't we?
Yes, we're making Chipotle bowls. And
Chipotle bowls.
Well,
Gabby corrected me. I said it wrong before.
Me
I don't
too.
know. The kids, they love to correct ya.
Yeah.
Making the Chipotle cilantro lime rice.
Yeah.
So good.
Still
But
yummy
of course,
Chipotle bowls.
yeah, and so I looked it up on the internet and I found the Copycat recipe. Woohoo!
Well, yeah.
And yeah, but of course I Judaized it just a little bit.
Always.
Don't you think?
Absolutely.
So what we started with I'm making a double batch. So it would be one cup of rice that I rinsed first. I did a 1/4 cup of butter, melted that, and 1 tablespoon. Bustini's gremolata, not Tuscan herb. Can you imagine?
No, I think it's like,
Did I yell in your
is it a
ear?
cold day and you know where?
It
Because I'm
is.
really starting to figure it out. And she just had to explain to me what gremolata is, so you have to tell.
So it's a garlic lemon olive oil, very fresh. So I've sauteed the garlic and the rice together, and it's been sauteing for a little while. And so now I'm going to add 2 cups of chicken broth to my 1 cup of rice.
And I was stuck at that.
Whoopsie. We use organic bone broth. Yum.
Yes, that you can buy in the store. If you are really ambitious, you go ahead and make your own.
Yeah.
But darn it, we buy ours.
Yeah. We love Costco. We love Costco.
We do love Costco. I really love Costco.
Alrighty, so now we're just gonna let that cook away.
So this cooks for what? Like 30 minutes or something?
Yeah, it does, and I need to put the lid on.
All right.
So while the rice is cooking, I'm gonna get started on those yummy black beans. And I've asked Mary Beth to chop up some yummy onion. I always love the
challenge
Vidalia.
this week, so don't look. Every week I'm challenged.
We both are.
I know, I'm making a mess.
So we're chopping some yummy Vidalia onion. It's my favorite onion because it's sweet. And we're gonna saute it in a deep fry pan. You can just use regular black beans. Open them up. I got canned. I'm cheating a little bit. I got black beans, organic black beans with green chilies.
Why not?
All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to do the marinade for the Chipotle chicken.
And she's showing me as well.
Yeah,
So we're learning together.
They're asking for 1 teaspoon.
Well, give me some.
Here we go. I'm gonna mix it up in here. 1 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, 2 teaspoons of chipotle chili pepper, a teaspoon. A teaspoon of oregano.
And then, wait, you put this in at the end. You want me to measure it out?
Let's mix that up first. Hang on. I Judaized it a little bit. I did a little bit of white pepper.
Perfect.
Now we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of distilled vinegar, 6 tablespoons of rice bran oil. Who can find rice bran oil? Just use olive oil. Isn't that yummy?
That was wonderful.
And now we're gonna add 4 cloves of minced garlic, okay? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna marinate the chicken in this for 6 hours. So we'll see you in 6 hours. All right, so this has been marinating for 6 hours. Chipotle will normally grill it, but it's 25 degrees outside and I'm not gonna do it.
People tell me that they put the grills in the garage and do it, which is
a little danger.
Well, I guess you get a little bit of blackened garage.
I actually have a mixture of breasts and thighs here. So we're gonna add a tablespoon of butter.
do you leave in there?
Let that melt. And then we're gonna do the lime zest and cilantro. The whole reason why we wanted to do the Chipotle bowls was that we wanted to eat a little healthier this year. You know, you start off January, gotta eat some clean, do some clean living. So we just decided, listening to Emma, this is one of her very favorite dishes, and it's pretty clean.
Ta-da! We're done! Judy's gonna put together a bowl for you so you can see how it's done.
So it's really anything you want. It's so great, especially if you have a big family, because everybody gets a little bit of what they want and they can customize their own little bowl. I'm gonna take a bowl, and I usually start with rice. Oh. And then on that hot,
too.
I take, oopsie, I like to put a little bit of cheese on that so it gets all melty, right? I put it between.
And I'm not eating cheese. So
No
I'm
cheese
skipping
for
the
her.
cheese.
And then I'm gonna get a little bit of chicky, throw that on there. Some cilantro, little beans. Oh, this is gonna be good. Some pico. Oh yeah.
Oh, man.
Woo-hoo!
Is that-
I'm gonna do a little queso on mine because it's so good.
We cheated and bought the queso at
I
Costco.
did. It's
and
so
it
good.
is great.
Yeah.
Highly recommended.
Highly recommend the queso at Costco. And this is Osario's creamy verde salsa and a nice little dollop of guac. And it can be as simple or as complicated like mine as you want. And everybody's happy. So thanks for joining us at Makagigi Kitchen. Have a great week.
Thank you.
Bye.